Good morning, everyone. It is 5:38 a.m. and I leave in about 7 minutes to Paris. And why am I going to Paris, you asked? I am going to Twitchcon in Paris. And I'm gonna take you with me, of course. I went to sleep pretty late last night, so I didn't get much sleep. But from Amsterdam to Paris, it's about a 3-hour train ride. So I'll be in Paris at around 9:30 a.m. We're gonna do some exploring before Twitchcon tomorrow and Sunday. All right. Twitchcon badge so we can actually go inside. And I'll meet up with my friend Boosty. I made it to the hotel room. I can finally check in at 3 p.m. which is pretty late because I arrived at 9:30 a.m. We picked up our badges, as you saw, and there were already like a few things to do there, which is pretty cool. They also gave us a little goodie bag, and it only has one thing. Last year they gave us the Twitchcon bottle, but this year it's just like some lip gloss thingy. I think it's a good brand though, still. And this little tote bag. Twitch loves Paris. At least someone does. And then we could take photos at the venue as well, and they print them out. It was also from Cooler Master, and they had like these beach balls, as you've seen. And then there's this Samsung Galaxy giveaway thing and like a Crocs thing, I'm not sure. This is what you get when you pick up your badge. And tomorrow, because I'm an affiliate on Twitch, we can pick up a little affiliate goodie bag as well, which is pretty nice. Let me do a quick room tour of the hotel room. It's a pretty nice room, honestly. It's pretty cool. I'll show you. Here's the front door. Here's a toilet. Bathroom. It's me. Hello. Here is the kitchen area and dining area. Here's like the living area. And this turns into a bed, actually. You can fit 2 people in there if you wanted to. And there is this bed where you also can fit 2 people on. And you have the separator for some privacy. And let's take a look at the view. Not bad. There's also a little tiny balcony here, which you can get on top of. And it is extremely warm outside, but I'll show you. It is actually boiling out here. It's going to be like 31 degrees for the entire weekend. So I'm going to go and eat this real quick right now. And also, I brought some stuff. It was Lisa's birthday recently, so I got her some Miffy and Sanrio stuff, because I know she likes my melody. Lisa will be arriving in I think like about 2 hours, and I'm just gonna chill for now. I woke up at 5 a.m. as you saw, then I just went straight here. I could check in at 3 p.m. so this is like the first time I can like actually rest, you know, and recharge. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll see what happens later tonight. Bye bye. Also, I have to complain for a second because at first I arrived, like half of the ticket machines for the public transportation were not working, and I finally bought a pass that was supposed to have 10 tickets on it. It was like 20 bucks, and then I actually paid, and then they were like, oh, sorry, we couldn't finish this transaction. The money went out of my account and I did not get the travel tickets, so I had to redo it, so I paid double. I'm requesting a refund, but we'll see how it goes. The machine was literally just like, never mind, fuck you, we cannot do it for you, sorry. You can pay, but we cannot give you the ticket. I also went to McDonald's. I know it's pretty bad, but I just wanted to get something cheap and quick and yummy. I had to wait in line for like a good 15 minutes and it was super hot inside and humid inside, and half the machines were broken as well. And then I didn't get my paid ticket, so I didn't know which number I had, so I just had to be like, is this my order? Let me check. There is no salt on these fries. The burger's kind of dry, but I mean, it's McDonald's, I shouldn't expect a lot, but I still paid like 11 euros for it, so I mean, look, I could have gotten something better for 11 euros. I'm now making the cup noodles so that I can have a cheap snack real quick, because Paris is expensive. I'm a student, I don't know about y'all, but the room is pretty nice. I can pretend to live in a bit of luxury. Also, this hotel is only a 10-minute walk from the venue, which is amazing. So I don't have to pay for public transportation to the venue, which is great. So let's say something positive. Okay, bye. I'm now going out to pick up Lisa from the airport, but not really from the airport, because I think I'm gonna head to Central and meet her there, and Ian as well. I put on some different clothes because it's like boiling out here, so I might as well get the dogs out. So I might as well and try and get some, absorb some sun. Twitchcon.
Oh, hello.
It's so tiny, right?
Yeah.
So cute.
What they say. Holy shit, I don't have the same hat. Holy shit, are we doing on the GoPro? Ah, this is fucking awesome. Wait, can you do that like 0.5 camera thing while it's like up here?
Yeah, I think it's like an iPhone thing.
Oh, never mind.
Do you think you prefer Amsterdam or Paris? Because personally, I don't really like Paris.
I like Amsterdam a lot.
Yeah, thank you. I live in Amsterdam.
Yeah? Yeah. Amsterdam. Everyone's so happy. Okay.
Thank you so much.
The curls are curling.
Yeah,
so
they're
cute.
cute. I love your hair as well.
Thank you so
Both
much.
ways. Can I take a selfie?
Of course.
And do you want to be in the...
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I love getting to speak French too, because I never get to practice it.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Really, really
that's
fun.
nice.
Yeah.
And drink enough water in the heat as well.
I'm trying.
Okay, good.
Take care.
Bye.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you so much. You too. You're so nice. Hi.
My name is Ariazaki.
How was it?
It was so nice.
Oh, my heart is racing.
She was so sweet. And
She said you love my hair. That's my only charm.
that's not true. Oh my
I
god.
only took one selfie. Wait, I'm scared.
Why is no one taking selfies? It looks so cool.
I don't know. I don't like standing photos with others because I don't know what I look like. So I can't pose properly.
Sending photos that look up to me.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, my honest takeaway from that is that you cannot open it as quickly as I thought that.
Maybe some tried. It was still moving. But
Maybe another train. We will try again.
That's crazy. It only goes, oh, it only goes 3.
Jodable, that's so French.
Give it to anyone else. That's so stupid.
Oh, that's cool! Oh my god, that's so cool. Hey, hey, where's it going? You're gonna get me! Oh my god, the Eiffel Tower!
You saw BB twice?
Did it, then you take it out, you can pull it out, then you try it. It tastes like mushroom.
It's small and dark.